Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Hollywood Studios?
Disney's Hollywood Studios. And we'll see where the morning takes us. Hello, sorry I haven't been on. Say hello. Hello. There's Rue, my dad. We are walking into Toy Story and we're gonna go ride Slinky Dog. But look at how cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at Woody. He's got a little scarf on. What? Look at Woody. Oh my gosh. Mom, look at Buzz, or not Buzz, look at Rex. Rex has antler, like ears on. Little reindeer antlers up there.
Oh, that's so
cute.
Oh, look at Buzz. Look at Buzz. Santa hat.
Oh my gosh, look at Buzz. Look at Buzz. He's got a little Santa hat on. Look at their vests. They're so cute. Going home. The swirling saucers. Ruthie's favorite. Come on, Mumu. Ruthie, come on. Come on. Here we go. We're on our favorite ride. We're on Ruthie's favorite ride. And I heard some interesting Christmas tunes while the toys were spinning earlier. You ready? You excited?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you like this ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you. Come here. You gonna put your hands up? Look up there, it's got a popcorn wreath.
Oh, cute.
Isn't that adorable? Look at all this Christmas decor. Yes, it works. It's so cute.
I have. I mean, they just put pieces in there.
Yeah, we're just talking about the theming, and I think you guys caught some of it, but look at this little ham cookie right here. And then there's like little bulbs all over, and on Woody's lunchbox, if you didn't see, it was like a popcorn chain. Super cute, just really cute stuff. Quick recap, because Rosie's not feeling well. I may end up having to take her to the doctor, but we're currently in the American Pavilion and waiting for Jen LaForge. Look who it is! It's Jen LaForge! Well, friends, I have no idea what you saw because we ended up at urgent care because Rosie has an ear infection. So I'm sorry. I know this is probably a very abrupt ending, but I remembered to end it, so that's good news. Anyway, we will see you tomorrow. She's on antibiotics, so hopefully she's feeling better and on the mend. And see you in the morning. Good night.